Hey everyone, welcome back to Browsify. In this video, I'll show you how to effectively manage your inventory in Shopify in 2025. Keeping track of stock levels is crucial for running a successful store, preventing overselling, and ensuring customers can always find what they need. Let's dive in. To manage inventory in Shopify, go to the Products tab and click on Inventory. Here, you can see a list of all your products and their stock levels. If you need to update stock levels, simply enter the new quantity in the available field and click Save. For example, let's say I have 20 hoodies in stock. I'll update it right here. Shopify allows you to track inventory automatically. To enable this, go to the product page, select Track Quantity, and enter the stock level. This helps Shopify automatically deduct stock when an order is placed. If a product is out of stock, Shopify lets you choose whether to continue selling it. Simply check Continue Selling when out of stock if you want to allow pre-orders or back orders. Managing inventory one by one can be time-consuming. Shopify lets you bulk edit stock levels by selecting multiple products, entering the new quantity, and clicking Save All. To make inventory management even easier, you can use Shopify apps. Here are some great tools that help automate stock tracking and restocking reminders. And that's how you manage inventory in Shopify. Keeping stock levels accurate is essential for a smooth running store. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.